If you're a green card holder, how long can you stay outside the United States without losing your green card? Well, there's different ways to analyze this, and inevitably it's going to come out to how difficult the officer at a reentry at the airport is going to be to let you in. I've seen people be outside for 9 years and still be let back in. Depends on your facts and how difficult the officer wants to be. But the technical rules are this. If you're outside for more than 1 year, that's a reason for the officer to believe you've abandoned your green card and allow them to send you to immigration court to take your green card away for a judge to make a decision on that. If you've been absent for more than 6 months but less than a year, when you're coming back in, they can reanalyze you as an arriving alien or a new admittant kind of thing to check who you are, maybe check your finances and other reasons that could be problematic, take you to secondary room, question you, and if they really feel like you've abandoned, potentially send to immigration court to have your green card taken away. It's harder for that to be taken away because the judge still needs a good reason to take away your green card. But if you're habitually not here, you're here outside, 7 months, you come back for 2 weeks and you leave again for 7 months, that then shows you're not really residing in the United States, because one of the requirements of being a green card holder is that you're residing here. You're a lawful permanent resident, so you have to permanently reside here. Now, one way around this is using what's called a reentry permit. It's an application to submit form I-131 that gives you a reentry permit that tells the government ahead of time that you might be outside for more than up to 2 years for certain reasons. If the government approves it, which historically it would, when you're re-entering after a year or more absence, you can say, hey, I already told you I've been absent. It's a reentry permit. It's not a guarantee. They say it's not a guarantee, but that's the whole point of this application form for you to be able to re-enter. So that could help solve that. Now, even if you solve that problem, or you don't have like 1 year plus gaps, if you're habitually not here in the United States, that does create problems for citizenship. I'll do a separate video on that, but if you're interested, leave a comment below and we'll add it to there. Like, it could create big problems for your citizenship case having all these absences.